In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into settings and scroll to hit apps over here. Then you need to tap on those three dots at the top right corner and access this pop-up. From it, hit other settings and finally select the default apps. Now pick any section you wanna manage. Tap on an app you wanna apply. And when you're ready, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!